I'm just gonna say it. I don't think monitors get the attention they deserve. Say you're working in a creative field, if you're designing, illustrating, animating, architecting, chances are you're making sure all your equipment is up to scratch. You're getting the right cameras, lighting, PCs, the right software. But what is the point doing all that great work if you don't have the right monitor to show it off? Monitors are the unsung heroes, and I'm tired of pretending they're not. These two superstars behind me are part of the ConceptD range, and they've been designed specifically with creative professionals in mind. So your engineers, your architects, your illustrators, graphic designers, content creators, which for me means looking at Premiere Pro once a month. So great. And this whole ConceptD line has been designed with some really thoughtful features for whatever creative work you need to do. But what kind of features, you might ask? Well, if you're an actual professional and not whatever the hell I am, then you might need Pantone validation. If you rely on industry-approved color fidelity in your work, say if you're working with brand-specific Pantones that need to be exactly right. You'll also need exact color replication. Say if you're working on one monitor, you're doing your great work, but then you want to show it off on another monitor, you don't want there to be a massive color difference between the two, because then what the hell is the actual color? Because I don't know. This is where delta E comes in. A delta E value tells us how accurate the display color is to the original color. So the lower the delta E, the less difference between the colors, giving you a higher color accuracy. They have high color coverage too, meaning we have accurate colors and we have lots of them. That's color sorted, we've completed it, now let's move on to HDR. For more lifelike images with higher contrast and brightness, the monitors are Acer certified display HDR. One monitor has HDR 400 and one has HDR 600. The difference between them means that 600 will be a bit brighter and with deeper blacks. These are all really great things. And I like the design of them. The bezels aren't too big and they have this wooden accent on the base, which is just perfect, especially on a desk like this. I really like it. They also come with a hood just in case you're working in a bright area. I'm not. I'm working in my very dingy basement, so I'm never gonna need a hood, and I'll never need these past like 40% brightness. Holy heck. Even like 400 nits is wasted on me because these are so bright. They also have blue light shielding built in, which you can turn off and on to make the screen warmer if you're working at nighttime, which is always me. Or you can specify it turn on only for specific apps. So if you're doing some color sensitive work, editing, and then you want to look at a document quickly, you can turn it on for the document but not for the color sensitive work. So yeah, that's pretty great. I am in love with them. Acer gave them to me to just borrow and review and just keep for a little while, but I am not ready to give them back. So Acer, if you're watching this, I think you are, please can I have it for a bit longer? So I have one 1440p resolution here with a slightly higher refresh rate of 170 Hz. That's what I usually use for gaming. And I have this one here, which is the 4K monitor with 144 Hz, which I've been using when I've been like editing 4K videos. So that's me, that's what I use them for. So they both have great viewing angles because they're both IPS. They have great color accuracy, they have Pantone validation, they color different color gamuts if you need something specific to your work, but the differences in between them. So the CP3, that has the higher resolution and therefore the higher price tag, but the CP5 has the higher refresh rate and HDR. Really, it depends on what kind of work you're going to be doing and games you're going to be playing. I'll link the monitors and the pricing in the description below, but let me know down below. Tell me, what is your current monitor setup and would you get one of these monitors that are designed specifically for creatives? Let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.